28 to that. He's setting first call set.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, that's it.
Come on, Keith. Come on. Get it moving. Come on. Get it moving. Daddy did really good. Daddy did really good.
What happened there? I know, right?
Milo was there earlier. I mean,
What happened?
That little yellow car didn't run. No, they made him stop. He's done. So keep him coming. No, keep
Okay, but that is still good though.
No, that car that he just hit is going to come in second. Mad Dog we're going to keep. Mad. Oh, please get it for him. Oh, please.
So he goes first, second, and third.
He's taking third.
But that's still good. It's still good. I don't know. He didn't win. Daddy did a good job, Maddie. Maddie. We knew.
But you know what?